Welcome to qnawire.
Hello, today we'll be continuing our probability distributions discussions. We'll be doing so by completing the example seen here, where we will be writing out a distribution from the formula and x values provided, and then determining if the distribution table that we write out is a probability distribution or not. Now let's remind all of ourselves that in order for a distribution to be considered a probability distribution, or determined to be one, all the probabilities in that distribution must be between 0 and 1. Can't have negatives, we can't have probabilities greater than 1, and all of the probabilities must equal 1 when summed together. When you add all of the probabilities together, they must equal 1. And with both of those reminders and rules in our head, let's go ahead and start drawing out our table for our distribution. We have our our random variable and our probabilities for each random variable value. Our x values for today are 0, 1, and 2. And now let's determine what our probabilities are for each of these x values. Now first, we have our 0, and we'll be plugging it into our equation over here. And we have 0 over 0 plus 2 equals 0. 1 over 1 plus 2 equals 1/3. And finally, 2 over 2 plus 2 equals 1/2. So we have probability of 0, probably 1/3 for 1, and 1/2 for 2. So we know that our first rule is followed. All of our probabilities are between 0 and 1. Now for our second rule, where we need to calculate our total when we add all of our probabilities together, with 0 plus 1/3 plus 1/2, which gives us 5/6, which does not equal 1. So unfortunately, our second rule is not followed, which means that this is not a probability distribution. This equation does not represent a probability distribution.